Our first act tonight hails from Union Grove, North Carolina. The Quifton Sisters! Do, re, do, re. Going on a Santa Maria.